Today we learn how to install WordPress in your local machine. First, I install the gem server. This is my path, and here is htdocs folder, and I have created the Spotify folder here, and here is the WordPress zip file. The WordPress download page I will give you the description box. First, you need to extract this file. Extract complete. Now copy the whole file, cut the whole file and paste it here. I delete this one because don't need this file. Now start the gem server. Server is not complete. Now right here localhost /phpMyAdmin, hit enter. You can see here is many database which I created previously. Now I create a new database. This name is Spotify. Create, and now go to privilege, and here is the new user. The Spotify is here, and now the localhost is any host is localhost hostname, and the user password is I generated, and I will save the password. Okay, now check all checkbox, global privilegization, and simply go. Now create a new user, complete. What should I do? Now go to localhost / your project name, hit enter. This is my username, the database username. I'll copy this. Now the default is selected and continue. Let's go, and here is the database name. My database name is Spotify, and database username is also Spotify, and database password is this one. This database password is when you create the database username, and here is also a password, so I copy this one and paste it here. Now submit the installation, run the installation. Now here is the site title. The site title is Spotify, and username also Spotify, and here is the password. I will copy this one because when I log in the dashboard, this password need to log in, so I will save this one. Now here is the email. Write an email, and installation process now ready. Okay, now log in your WordPress dashboard, and here is your email and password. My email is and the password is pasted here. This is the user and password. Now remember this one and login, or you can avoid this one. Remember me. Now simply you can see here is the WordPress dashboard, and here is my simple site. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.